Hi, so in this video we will explore the precautions. We will explore the precautions that you have to take care while using Osmo Pocket 2.
So here we go with precautions that I specially care with my gimbal. The first one is avoid overheating. So keep your device into cool environment and avoid the direct sunlight. Second is handle gimbal with lot of care, where you can use the casing to your gimbal or a cap for front and back camera to prevent the damage. The third one is keep in dry place. To protect gimbal, make sure the waterproofing case is added and it's enabled on gimbal. The fourth one is use protective cases. So store in some dedicated case or bag where your gimbal is secured. So next one is clean gently. So you can use soft dry cloth or a tissue paper to clean your camera lens and the pocket too to avoid any damage. The last one is charge safely. So you can use only recommended charger and avoid charging into extreme high temperature areas. I am sharing some my glimpse where how I exactly remove Pocket 2 from case. Sometimes you just have to care that make sure button should not turn on because gimbal will rotate. And again adding back the gimbal into the case, so just turn off and make sure you will properly mount the camera inside and then done. To know more about accessories, which to buy or not, check out the video. So thank you so much for watching. Also let me know if this was helpful for you. So do share, like and subscribe.